Yeah. Oh! You see my new pendant up? All right. You have a good night, Mom.
You too, bye-bye.
All right. Oh. This must be this brown sugar. Y'all, this is the last crappy food I'm gonna eat. All right. It's still a little chilly in the middle, but sweet potato with steak and bread. After this, I'm going on a cleanse. But for today, the marshmallow's kind of cold too. I don't have no microwave, y'all. So we're just gonna wing it. I need to put this back in the oven so it can be real nice and hot. Okay. So, I was like, something is missing. The minute that I lit it, y'all, that was good. I don't know about you guys, I like to cut back the wick. It stops it from popping and getting your wax all black. And then this right here is from Farrah's collection. I like it, it's cute. Alright, you guys, if you were wondering, this is pretty much what I use in my night routine, which is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush. As you can see, I've been using it. I also have a little bit of this Time for Soleil. I actually have the really big bottle of perfume, and I also have the glitter. And then my Cashmere, the Curology Pharmacy Facial Cleanser, 20 minutes. Is it 20 minutes? 20. I think it's 60 seconds. 60 seconds is what it is. And then I do the Nectarine Blossom and Honey. And then I just spray the bathroom with the lemon. Really quickly, let me show you guys. Right now, I just put some of these things in here. They're not going to stay because I'm going to do the custom unit. But I'm going to show you guys real quick because there's a lot of little things in here. I think I told you guys I got another Peony and Blush. That is the soap. I think I hauled all these things to you guys when I was in Atlanta. I think I had hauled all these things to you. Okay, there's nothing in there. I think I hauled most of. Oh, here it is. This is the Soleil. I have the perfume also. That could still be in Atlanta. And then I have the lotion for that. Then I have lotions in here. And then stuff in here. And then I told you guys I just wanted to keep. Oh yeah, this is another. Oh yeah, this is another Wild Bluebell. And then I have candles too. Let me see, what's this one? Hold on a second. But these are gonna go in my closet. They're not gonna stay in here. But I'm sure you guys remember seeing my closet. It's under construction right now, so I have all of my stuff. And then I have some more. Oh my gosh. Listen. This right here, you guys, this right here is everything. This bottle is everything. But like I said, I still have some more items in here that I have. Lush, my body spray. Let me spray some of this on now because I love that. Oh yeah, I like going to bed smelling good, y'all, so I'll be fully perfumed up. See, I still have this ain't even half of it. I have another box that has another 2 to 3 boxes in there, and then I have some large candles and stuff. But like I said, these are gonna go in my closet once my closet gets together. But I wanted to kind of show you guys. If you haven't tried Jo Malone, you have to try it. It is amazing. Absolutely love it, especially the Peony and Blush if you like a really nice florally smell. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get to the computer and try to edit some of the content that I recorded today for you guys, and I am going to probably do that for about an hour, and then I'm going to bed because I am exhausted. And I have the electrician coming in the morning, and the sheetrock guy is coming in the afternoon. And then I have Sunday free, and then Monday I have the guy coming in that's gonna do the hardwood floors. And then Tuesday I have the delivery for all the trim that I purchased to change out the master and change out downstairs and add the crown molding and all that. So it's gonna be a busy week, a super busy week. I feel kind of bad because the house is new and I'm doing this, but I feel like I just have to do it now. Anyway, you guys have a really good night. I have to get this chain separator. This thing keeps tangling together. Anyway, you guys have a really good night, and I will see you guys next time. Good night. Oh, and if you're wondering about my toothpaste, I use the Arm & Hammer. I already brushed my teeth. I don't have a mirror, so that's why I didn't do my face and stuff, because there's not a mirror, y'all. I should have probably thought about it. But it's good that I didn't do the mirror, because they would have glued it on there, then it would have been a bigger mess. But I have mirrors back there, so that's why I didn't really try to do any of that. But I'm gonna